Yep, just would be uncivilized without giving you this cold start this morning. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on my channel, hit the like, comment, and subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. I'm trying to grow this channel. All right, today's video will be about my 2021 Dodge Charger Scatpack 392. You don't want to miss it. All right, there it is, 2021 Cinnamon Stick Charger Scatpack 392. Cinnamon Stick. Looks good sitting in that sun, man. That cinnamon stick looks really good sitting in that sun. All right, I promised you guys a review. Finally got an opportunity to do it. It's cold out here this morning, so look, I'll make this real quick. It'll be a real quick review. Not too technical, but just so you get an idea what came with this charger. All right, we'll start at the front of the vehicle. And as you can see, not too much has changed since 2015. One of the differences is the snorkels that allow air into the engine. That's new for 2021, I believe. Down here, this grill actually allows for more airflow in there as well. Got your Scatpack. As you move up to the hood, got a functional air scoop. Again, I don't think there's much difference from 2015 to now, so it's still the same. The functional air scoop on the hood. Move around to the passenger side. All right, let's talk about these right here. These are your brass monkey wheels, 9.5-inch wheels wrapped in 275/40 R20s, 6-piston Brembos. This one came with a dynamics package, so it ended up getting the bigger wheels. Got your 392 badge right there. As we move around to the back, you see the black trunk lid spoiler that they put on here. Yeah, real nice. The blacked out Charger. And you got your Rumble B over here. You got your Dodge labeling right there. That's coming off. real soon. Real soon. Dual active exhaust. Swing around to the other side. So look, guys, let me know what you think about these Brass Monkey wheels, man. 9.5 inch wheels, 275, 40 R20s, wrapped in Pirelli P0s. I don't know too much about the Pirelli P0s. If you guys know anything about it, let me know down in the comment section. I'm usually a Goodyear guy. One thing I do like, the body colored trunk, gas tank lid. I do like that. And then I also like how they did the mirrors. The mirrors on this vehicle is body colored. I'm glad they did that, not the black ones. And your 392 badging. All right, let's take a look on the inside. Let's start on the passenger side. Hopefully I got enough light and this video won't come out too dark, but let's take a look. All right, as you can see right there, you got your 392 badging. You got your black Alcantara seats with the Rumble B. Yes, sir. Pretty nice size glove box. Got the black mats. You gotta excuse that. I got a vacuum her out. She ain't as clean as I wanted to be. Got the black trimming on the door. With your your windows up and down, your door lock and unlock. As we get into the back. Again, you got your black Alcantara seats in the back. They're heated in the back. Heated seats in the back. As you can see right there. Got your heat controls, your USB controls for the heated seats. We'll swing around to the driver's side. Take a look at the business end of this thing. All right, as you can see on the door here, we have the controls for your memory seating. Alpine stereo system, 6-speaker. And you have all your controls for your windows and door locks. Powered mirrors. As you can see, the auto up and down. Again, the Alcantara seats. Work our way around. Here's your controls for your lights, your trunk release. They call this a sports steering wheel. I'm not sure why. If you guys know, let me know in the comment section. Another thing that I really like is the black instrument cluster. It's all blacked out up there. It looks really nice. .4-inch Uconnect screen. Push to start. And here's where the debate starts. You got your drive modes, your SRT pages. I know people say the Scatpack is not an SRT, but we got the pages to prove it. Let the debate begin. You got your 2 cup holders. Let's take a look at what's on the Uconnect screen. Did you guys hear that? Let me see if you can hear that. Sounded real good already. So again, you got your drive modes on here. You got your track, your sports, your custom, and your auto. Since I have not reached the 500-mile mark, I'm still driving in auto. I'm not pressing her out too hard or anything like that. Got your launch, your line lock. Got all that kind of stuff up in there. Your heated and ventilated front seats, Alcantara. Sunroof, it's a must-have. Gotta have it. Sunroof, you gotta have it, buddy. You gotta have it. So this is just a quick review, man. It's cold out here. I gotta get ready, get up out of here. Gotta get some sleep. I've been to work all night. Haven't had a chance to go to sleep yet. So, until the next video, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.